Afternoon, friends. As I mentioned yesterday, we are gonna clean up the van. So, first things first, need to figure out, oh, there we go. You guys are much shorter here. So I need to figure out what stays and what goes. Like fresh products and stuff like that, that of course needs to go, because that will go bad. Clothing wise and bed wise, everything is clean, which is good. So I don't need to change that. Pots and pans, gas, stuff like that can all stay, of course, in the van. My little Willem and Rianne plant, of course, needs to go, otherwise I will forget to water it. So yeah, let's get things going. Alright, so I check the back and remove some stuff in there as well, of course, because some clothing I do need, some I don't. So for those 2 weeks I'm gonna stay a lot of things in the van, but yeah, like my skateboard and all the other stuff, my comfortable chair and stuff, that can just come out. So let's have a look. The water tank is already empty. There's like this much, you can see it, this much water in it. I'm gonna leave that in. And clothing wise, it's just stuff that I need to get rid of or get out of the van. Clean it and basically just put it back in. Winter clothing and stuff like that, I'm gonna leave it in because I don't have space at home, and I don't need to leave it in. I need a bag. Alright, so hopefully you guys can still see me, but everything is out, so I can place the van back. There we go. I place the van back on its original position, so I can actually just go and wash these clothing. Alright, so here you go. Alright, so the van is, well, it's not empty, but I covered this and basically my towel over here as well. That's because first of all, if something comes down or whatever falls on it, it's more protected. Secondly, if someone is looking through my windows, I can't really see that it's a camper van, which is all the reason why I've created sort of stealth camper van. Other than that, dust. Don't like dust, and this thing is made of glass, which makes it terrible to clean, and I don't want to clean it in about 2 weeks. So that's the reasons. Coffee maker. Oh, sorry. Coffee maker stays in the car. The water, I can turn that off, by the way. It doesn't need to be on. I still got 13.2 volt, so that's good. I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi. There you go. That thing is switched off. The fridge, that's the only thing what's on right now, but natural products are out. That's basically it. So, close the door for now. Maybe I'm going in this weekend still to change a couple of things. Maybe I need to get stuff out, or maybe in, I don't know. But for now, the door is closed, locked, and it's safely put away. So yeah, guys, tonight the plan is to get a little bit of skateboarding. I'm gonna recharge or charge the drone, maybe get some orphans footage, kind of like that, just in my own hometown, which is great. Other than that, it's going to be a slow night for me tonight. Went to the IKEA today. A lot of children were walking there. That's great. Now I'm, like I said, tonight, maybe some drone footage. Just going to ride my skateboard. I'll bring you guys along. Maybe it's going to be a bit boring on the vlog, but it's definitely helpful for me. So stay tuned for that. For now, charge everything, and yeah, chill a little bit. Maybe work on the van tour a little bit. I'm not sure. Still got a lot of stuff to do, so we'll see. Alright, so drone footage is done. You can see it now. So that was the first time, like I have here, I've used that thing with the magnet. Not bad actually, it does will work. So perhaps I'm going to use it more in the future. We'll see. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not going over there. Alright, so like I said, the magnet, it does work. Hopefully the footage is good. I don't know, I haven't seen it yet, but we'll just have to see, wait and see. So yeah, let's get back to skateboarding. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on my head. It looks like ridiculous, but I don't know if this has already been done by anyone. Well, let's just see. I don't know. I don't care. Alright, so I think this is gonna be it for me today. So thank you guys for watching, for commenting and for liking the video. I really appreciate it. Again, thank you guys, the fact that you guys are still watching my vlog. It is Friday, and I said Friday I'm going to stop vlogging, but it's not Monday yet. So tomorrow and Sunday, perhaps another vlog. I will see what I can do. Not a lot of things tomorrow or Sunday. It's going to be a relaxing weekend. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Peace!